In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through managing vendor information and viewing balances in your accounting software seamlessly. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger organization, understanding how to efficiently track expenses is crucial. So, let's dive right in. To get started, open your accounting software and log into your account. This should bring you to your dashboard, where you can see an overview of your financial activities. Now, to focus specifically on vendors and their related expenses, you want to direct your attention to the Expenses tab. Depending on your software version, this might be located in your main navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the Expenses tab, a drop-down menu should appear. From here, select the Vendors option. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of all your vendors. Now you might wonder why exactly you should start with this vendor list. Well, this list provides a snapshot of all the companies and individuals you do business with, and it's a great place to get an instant overview of their current balances. Balances give you immediate insight into how much you owe each vendor or the credit you might have available with them. Here's a tip. Keeping a close eye on these balances helps you prevent overspending and ensures your cash flow remains smooth. Once you have your vendor list pulled up, take a moment to scan through it. You'll notice that each vendor entry includes some basic yet crucial information like name, contact details, and yes, the balances. These balances are usually displayed prominently next to each vendor's name, allowing you to quickly assess your financial standing with each one. If you find that you need more detailed information for a specific vendor, you can simply click on that vendor's entry. Doing so will transition you to the vendor detail page. Here you will find a more granular view of that vendor's activities with your business. This detail page is a treasure trove of valuable insights. It shows you past invoices, payments, and any overdue balances that might require your attention. You can also track any purchase orders associated with that vendor, helping you plan your future expenses more effectively. In conclusion, navigating through the expenses and vendor sections in your accounting software not only streamlines the way you manage your business finances, but also strengthens your relationships with suppliers by ensuring timely payments and healthy financial interactions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your business finances efficiently.